look at it. There it is there. Box is pretty straightforward, which is good. Got your line trimmer. Let's go over here. Get some line in there, spooled, ready to go. Comes with this thing here. Comes with that. The bottom part protect you from getting hit by weeds and ripping off string and all that. It's been used, a little bit loved. There's to replace the spool, you just push on these and it pops off. As your spool wears off, like the brakes off these, you just push this button right here, right there, and you just give it a push and it pull the wire out to extend it. Feed the power cord here and plug it in there. Re-roll them. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please give this video a like and some kind words in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe to all my social media and click on the bell to get notified when new videos are available. If you found these videos helpful or just enjoy them for the entertainment, please consider supporting this video work either with Patreon, PayPal donate, there is a link in the description of this video, or you can click on the heart-shaped thanks button on this video and send funds to support these videos